Hello, so we are looking at the following. It says solve, it says each, but I only copied one problem. So solve the systems of linear equation matrices. So I have negative 4x plus 2x minus z equals 9, negative 5x minus 4z equals 0, and 5x minus 2y plus z equals negative 13. Now, one thing that you don't see that I are part of the directions that I cut off is that it says to use a calculator if you would like. So I want to focus on showing you how to use a free virtual calculator for matrices today. So click on my internet. All right, so I am using Desmos. Desmos is a free graphing calculator, and they also have a matrix calculator. So it says desmos.com/matrix. So we'll work on how to put these in. So I am going to hit new matrix, and my matrix, this matrix that I'm going to use here is a system of 3, and I have 1, 2, 3 variables. So it's going to be a 3 by 3. So it's going to be 3 rows and 3 columns. I'm going to hit add. And I'm going to put my variables in. So let's do the x variable first. So my x values are negative 4, negative 5, and 5. I forgot that fast. Negative 4, negative 5, and 5. So that's negative 4, negative 5, and 5. All right, let's go get our y values. So here I have 2. This one doesn't have one, so I'm going to put a 0 in there. So that's 2, 0, negative 2. So that's going to be 2, 0, negative 2. And then my z values are going to be negative 1, negative 4, 1. Negative 1, negative 4, 1. 4, negative 1, 1. Oops, negative 1. Sorry. Negative 1, negative 4, and 1. All right, so that one's done. I'm going to now put in a new matrix, and this time it's going to be for my solution. So my solution is going to be 9, 0, negative 13. So we have 3 rows, this time 1 column. And so we said that's going to be 9, 0, negative 13. All right, so I have my 2 matrices. Now, if you recall, when we write matrices, we write them in the form of A, and we have our variables. So we have X, Y, Z is equal to our solution. So our solution is matrix B. Well, to find out what my X, Y, and Z is, I need the inverse of A times B. Okay, so that's what we're going to do with our calculator here. So, let me pull my calculator back up. So, I'm going to go to my next line, and I put an extra line there. I'm sorry about that. So, I know that I need my matrix A, and I need the inverse of that matrix. It's right there for me. And I'm going to multiply that by matrix B, and there's my solution. Easy peasy. So negative 4, negative 5, negative 4, negative 1, 5. And so that represents, go back up to my paper, my X, X is equal to negative 4, Y is equal to negative 1, and Z is equal to 5. And I hope that this helps.